Hi guys, so if you're wondering why I'm in the car, it's because today I will be taking my TB test, which is called a tuberculosis test. And in order to get my visa, I have to take this test, which is like an x-ray according to my friend, because I've actually Google searched it up, but it says I have to take some of my blood out or like inject some fluid into my body, but apparently that's for US visa, and I'll be going to UK, so it's a whole different thing, which is only an x-ray, a body checkup. And now I'm at the life care center in Bangsa South, waiting for my boyfriend to arrive so we can go up and register together. So yeah, oh, maybe I shouldn't be turning on the aircon. You guys see the vibration? Okay. So I decided to vlog and see how things go. I'm also sadly eating my food in the car, which is only biscuits, oat crunch, because I was in a rush this morning, so I didn't have time to actually sit down and eat proper breakfast, and I just grabbed a biscuit and came out. We have to register, so we prepared our passport and the photos required, and now we have to fill in accordingly. And the boyfriend is here.
Fifth floor.
They just measured my blood pressure, and now it's a real deal. I'm waiting for them to call out my name so I can go into the room and check my x-ray. Okay, I finished my session. So did he. He was right after me. Just to let anyone that wants to do an x-ray know, tie your hair up when you're here, wear something easy, so when you strip topless, it's easier for you to take off your shirt and take off your bra as well. And it only takes like 1 minute, lesser than 1 minute, and then you'll be done. Now you can just wait for, as in I'm waiting for the results to come out. If anything, they'll contact me again, right? No. Okay, so I'm back home now. I had my lunch, brunch, tea time, but I was super hungry. And now we're having a mini karaoke session with my sisters. And we're gonna eat ice cream while we sing.
No.
It's not really a karaoke also lah. Cause
I thought we were gonna eat ice cream
later?
later.
Stop trying to act all British. Faster 演员 now, oh shit.
是我的。
这是你的歌，编成I don't know。一个最爱你的人精心表演，考验，看你曾经那么爱我，干嘛演出细节？我该变成什么样子才能延缓厌倦？我觉得会 copyright。
人六报，六报看不到人家白吗？
才是考验。
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.
Hello everyone. My parcel for my keyboard has arrived. Let me open it. What?
Blur out our house address.
Oh, I don't think they can see.
Just blur out.
Okay.
People are scary.
Okay, so it says fragile, so you gotta be careful with it. Ta-da! Hello! It's filled with bubble wrap. That's the keyboard. Oh, I can just push it out.
What's under the subtle smile? We'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something.
Yay! So this is Keychron K3.
Everyone's lining up to see her.
Woo! It's the actual keyboard.
I thought you are very stupid.
No. And you can't see that. I nearly dropped my brand new laptop keyboard.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something that features. You'll find her.
So this is the setup. It's the mouse and like my laptop there. Now I'm gonna charge my laptop because like apparently I cannot connect this without my laptop on it. Shut up!
It's my backup music. It's the background music. BGM, baby. Get out of here. Were you trying to touch me about Lester? No! Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? I'm down, yeah.
Okay, so after a solid like 15 minutes, I finally got my laptop to connect to the keyboard. And it says here, I have to click FN plus 1 for 4 seconds together. But I've been clicking F1 plus 1, which is so dumb of me. That's why I couldn't connect the first few times of trying. But FN is here. That's why it took me so long. But I'm happy. Okay, so apparently the electricity stopped, and this time we can't even turn it on with just turning the button.
Switch lah.
The-
button.
The switch. I couldn't think, okay? Nice hair. You turned it on, dear? What was it? Yeah, it's on. What do you do? I heard one thing. See, the fan is on. Yay!
I burped.
Okay, so after the whole electricity situation, some of my friends texted me about it because I posted on Instagram, and they say apparently, the first thing they all asked me was, "You on a lot of aircon, right?" Then I was like, "Shit, is it that obvious?" Yes, I don't on like for long hours. I on like morning once and then night once, but like for 2 to 3 hours only. But that's considered a lot, I guess, because like we have 4 rooms in total. But the reason why I on so much aircon is because Malaysia's too hot, okay? It's way too hot. Look at my oily hair. But now I guess the whole burning situation made me realize I'm gonna challenge not turning on the aircon for the next 2 months until I go to the UK, because UK is gonna be cold anyways. Now I'm gonna edit some clips so I can upload today, And yeah.
Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out. Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. Drum blows, yeah, yeah. It's just the drum blows, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah.
Okay, so guys, I finally finished editing. Now I'm left with only the thumbnail, but I can do that tomorrow when I upload. So it's all good now. I can finally relax, cleanse my face, put on some skincare, and then I'm gonna watch some Netflix. Next up will be moisturizer. Usually at night I will just skip the toner and sunscreen part because yeah. Touch your face. And just some lip balm.
Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment.
We ordered sushi. You want to say hi? I said we, so they do. Hi. Yeah.
Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
Why is my sushi so small?
That's why I don't like to buy sushi like that.
This is such a scam. Look at hers. She ordered takoyaki and it's huge.
我是有6 pieces 的
And there's 2 chawamushi.
Why is it in coffee cup?
Yeah, why is it in a coffee cup?
Because they ran out of cups. Either way, it's still good.
You guys not get me fork.
Shit.
Evil, right?
Is she?
Stop, you're not pretty. I was just gonna. It's time! Oh, I almost died there.
I didn't filming yourself now.
I'm gonna show them my takoyaki. This is my takoyaki. I'm now an ASMR person.
I hate 粽子.
What? I love sushi. No, wait, I hate
You want the
I like
wasabi?
bao. I like
Sorry.
They use wasabi.
Stay a minute. Stay a minute.
Now I'm supposed to check my email for a bit because I am supposed to be receiving a few emails, but I have not, so yeah. Also uploading a new video, but it's taking really slow.